Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to create alarm bar in Weintek HMI. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our EasyBuilder Pro software, and here we will go in data history. This version which I am using, this is 6.8.2.702 version, and go to the this data history and go to the alarm log. Here we will how can create that old I will delete and we will make it new. Simply the downside you can find this button, click on this button, and after you have to first give your address of PLC. Which PLC using? Here you can give your PLC, and here you have to be give your address. From X you like to print the message, or from Y you like to print the message. It's depend on you. For example, Y0, I say when my Y0 is on, one message I like to be print, go to the message, and here you have to be tell the message. For example, this machine front door is open. So this message I like to be print on my screen when my Y0 is on. So click it OK. This your message will be ready. And second, if you want more message like to be print, for example, click on the new and change the address here. For example, Y1 we like to be print, and message what we like to be print. We say when Y1 is on, we need to print machine back door. Back door is open. So click this one message and click it OK. And now your two messages are ready, and make it exit. And simply here you have to be choose alarm bar here simply, and here you have to be choose your speed. For example, this is 5 I choose, and in sort section you can choose this trigger date, trigger time, or only just like to see the message. This will depend on you. If you uncheck this mark trigger date will be not displayed, only trigger time and message will be displayed. And click it OK. And where you like to display at the HMI, place it the HMI, adjust and make it down where you like to print. This is almost many of HMIs downside of the bottom of the HMI are display the all messages. So this is our ready. Now we go to the PLC. Go to your PLC program. Here we will write the program. For example, my M0 is read on, and after I will make it Y0, and Y0 is maybe my front doors, and here M1 when is on, after my Y1 will be on. Because of Y0 is front door and Y1 is back door. For example, this program we will download to the PLC, make it simulation and make it run PLC. And here now we will go to the HMI and make it project inside online simulation, and your simulation is ready now. And for example, this is I will make it down, and when my M0 is on, our message will be displayed. Sorry, this will be when, wait a minute, I will do this how we can do M0 and M1. We will create this message also at our HMI. We will create two buttons. Go to the object. This is the set bit. For example, this is M0 set on. Make it here, and here we will also bit lamp choose. For example, this is our Y0 and click it OK. And also this is Control C and Control V here, and this is also Control C and make it control V, and this address we will give little change. This is Y0 and this will we will give Y1, and this address also we have to be little change, not set on, we will make it momentary button. This is also click it OK, and this we have to be also make it momentary, and this is we have to be address change M1 and click it OK. Now we can display C at our HMI directly, make it on off from our HMI, and project and make it simulation on, and go back this one and we will make it here. See, our M0 is on. See, now here is nothing, any message display. When we click on the M0, our Y0 is on, or M0 Y0, what we define in the alarm bar, main front door is open, machine front door is open. As this signal will be gone, after this message will be finished, and as message came for M1 for example, our message will be came machine back door is open. So this is operator can be understand, maybe when machine back door is nothing, anything or happen he can't see, after somebody press from the back side, after he show the alarm on the HMI, machine back door is open, we have to be not any operator something, yani this is the safety purpose you can see. And also you can see this one, this is only just time displayed. If you like the date also displayed, go simply back to the EasyBuilder Pro, and here your data history and your alarm log, no sorry, not alarm log, you have to go to the alarm bar, and here you have to be sort inside check the trigger date only just, and click it OK. Also your date will be triggered with this, we will be delete, no problem, because we use this one, new one. Now date also displayed, project online simulation, and this will make it downside scroll, and see now as we click, now our message will be displayed with time and date also, 16.56 and also 8/5/24. This is date also displayed. This is front door, and when you click at M1, after our message will be display machine back door is open with time and date. So friends, this is I think so easiest method of the alarm bar how we can make in the Weintek HMI. If you not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.